In order to manage an event, click your Organization Tools drop-down menu and select Events. You are now on the Manage Events page. You can see we have some filter options. You can see your approved and canceled events by selecting one of those options, and you can also filter by status, current, all, or past events. There's also a search bar to the far right of the screen if you know the name of the event you're looking for. If you go to events in our list, you can see two options to the right of each event. The square with the arrow allows you to view your event from the Explore view or a view a student would see, and the garbage can to the right of the square allows you to cancel your event. In order to access additional management features, click on one of your events by selecting the title of your event. On this page, you can see all the details you entered when you submitted your event. You can view the Explore view or what a student would see by clicking the blue button on the photo you chose. And scrolling down, we can see more of our event details, such as the status of our event, the visibility, the RSVP settings, and attendance information. Below event details are event actions with additional management features. By selecting View Submissions, we can view all the information we submitted about our event. This is helpful if you want to revisit risk management forums or if you want to see what was submitted in prior years for the same event. Track attendance management feature is explored in our track attendance tutorial, so be sure to watch that. The Change Details option will allow you to change any event details that need to be altered, and the Invitations and RSVP feature is also explored in the track attendance tutorial. Finally, you can cancel event from this page as well, and by clicking there you can write a closing comment, which is optional, which is a message that will be sent to all involved, including event invitees. If you have any questions about this tutorial, email us at experiencebu@brocu.ca.